with Napoli refusing to put on their 70 million valuation of central half Kalidou Koulibaly, the Premier League giant are considering alternative. Sport Witness reports that United have been after his service signed at least May 2017, back when Jose Mourinho was still manager, and French TV channel The Sport added that the 19-year-olds could leave the Principality in the coming weeks, as well as United Spanish outlet Valencia also to be chasing the defender, and Chelsea and Wolves were linked with budge last summer. Budge, 18, is regarded as one of the top defensive prospects in Europe after breaking into Monaco first team this season, making 20 appearances in all competitions. He has also represented France at U17 level. United are likely to make some pretty big change in the defensive playing this summer. Sympathetic Manchester United, Chelsea, and Manchester City score this coming weekend and win €100. Harry Maguire and Victor Lindelof appear to be first choice centre halves, with Eric Bailly still to hit his potential. Chris Smalling has spent the season on loan at Rome, who fancy signing him permanently, while Phil Jones will surely exit Old Trafford for first-team football. The likes of Marco Rossi and Diego Dalot will also be sweating on the their United future.